beautiful evening, on this momentous evening in the world of healthcare industry.
With the help of this film, we try to create some kind of a memory in which it would really showcase you as a hero which you actually are.
किसी का कोई नहीं, किसी का आइडेंटिटी नहीं, रोड से उठाकर ये सब उनको सर्विस देते।
Apart from me, he's been inspiring the entire world, the entire state.
He is a very committed and dedicated person.
प्रोफेसर पीसी महापात्र डॉक्टर है, अलग बात है, लेकिन हमारे सबके लिए ये भगवान है।
He's a complete man. In all respect.
A standing ovation for a great legendary life that Sir has had over the years.
Mahatma Gandhi said, truth is God. But Purna's motto is, service is God.
मोदी सिंगल फोन रेफर कर दी भी he helped all patients referred by me.
And I thank the Juneja brothers for the concept led for the medical profession, and Rinkesh and the team, Himanshu and everybody who are the executors of the concept of Juneja brothers and all. Hats off to you for this concept, Father. Thank you.